So welcome back guys to our YouTube channel Being Business, and today is a special day as we are starting our financial news segment for investors, and we will here inform you about what's happening in the financial market, and this will actually help you to invest your money in companies and earn profit. And also we will inform you about the COVID-19 situation around the world. So first of all, let me tell you that you can have full faith in us. And one more thing, that is we will tell you our top 3 suggested picks that you can invest in to earn profit. And one more important news for you, actually it's a good news for you all, and that I will tell you at last, so please watch till end. So let's start. First, the Tata Group has raised authorized share capital of Tata Digital to 11,000 crores from 1,000 crores. So that's a big investment. Second, jobless rate in April raises to 8%. So that's a sad news. Third, Adani Transmission is raising up to $1.15 billion through offshore loans to fund at least 4 projects in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Fourth, Sputnik Light could be available in India soon, says Russian envoy. So that's a good news for us. Fifth, prioritize second shots of frontline workers of age 45 plus, says center to states. The next one, Modi to interact with DMs of 100 high case load districts. So now it's a very important news for all the investors around here, and that is Vedanta reports rupees 6,432 crore profit in March quarter. And there's one more important news that is for all the investors, and that is TVS Motor announces top level changes at Not On Motorcycle. The next one, TikTok India CEO Nikhil Gandhi quits his job. The next one, Tata Sons and SIA to pump rupees 465 crore into Vistara. That is, they are investing rupees 465 crore in Vistara Airlines. And here's a good news for all the European diamond exporters, and that is opening of European markets has brought cheer to diamond exporters. And here's the news from the capital Delhi, and that is the Delhi health minister has said that the price of all COVID shots should be capped at rupees 150 per dose. Here's one more news, that is Italy fines Google dollars 120 million for abuse of market position. And here's a sad news for all of us, and that is COVID-19 patients health data for sale on dark web. So that's sad. The next one is the billionaire founder of cryptocurrency Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, donated cryptocurrency worth $1 billion to India's COVID-19 relief. The next news is Amazon Pay gets rupees 225 crore or more from the US parent company. So here's a political news, and that is 3 Bengal BJP MLAs detained for flouting lockdown norms. So here is the news for the investors, that is Hero MotoCorp all set to enter electric segment next year. And also there's one more news for the investors, and that is second COVID wave to affect tractor sales, says Scots. So here's one more important news for all the investors, so please listen carefully, and that is DRL, Cipla and Cipla to keep investor interest healthy outlook to offset a tepid quarter 4. So here's one more news, and that is RBI is concerned over the dual regulation of MFI sector in Assam. Here's one more news, and that is surging prices won't hit demand, says Tata Steel MD. And here's one important news, and that is DRL to use first Sputnik batch to inoculate its own staff. Next, SB Energy approaches Adani after CPPIB pull out. And here's one international news, and that is Iran gears up for return to oil market as talks to lift US sanctions advance. And one more international news, and that is Israeli strikes destroyed the home of Hamas leader in the Gaza Strip and killed 17 Palestinians on Sunday as the UN Security Council prepares to meet amid global alarm at the escalating conflict. And first of all, this is the heaviest fighting since 2014. And also in the Vatican City, Pope denounces violence between Israel and Hamas. And also one more news related to COVID-19, and that is Singapore to shut schools as coronavirus case rises there. And one more, UK to make final decision on easing lockdown on June 14. And here's now what Nishchal Shetty, the CEO of WazirX, says, and that is from now they will enable deposits and withdrawals of a token after giving sufficient time for people to bring in the tokens. They will then enable the listing. So this was Nishchal Shetty's speech for their users. And here's one important news, and that is Tata Godrej are making Moderna and Pfizer vaccine storage units. And the next one, that is Air India to name AI final bidders in between September and October. And here's one more news, and that is Reliance takes step to stem oxygen supply disruptions at Jamnagar plant. The large PSU banks such as State Bank of India, the Punjab National Bank and Bank of Baroda are now on high alert after Cairn Energy AI notice. And here's one news from the automobile sector, and that is Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, Hero MotoCorp and Honda motorcycle will restart production from today, that is 17 May. The four account for 70% of passenger vehicle and around 65% of two-wheeler market share. And also Maruti Suzuki plans to produce 1,200 cars per day in the third week of May, and this is expected to be increased to 4,500 cars per day by the end of the month. And Hero MotoCorp will be starting single shift production at 3 of its plants. And yes, now this was all for the today's news quota. And now I hope that you all are updated about the financial market. And now I will tell you my 3 suggested picks that you can invest into and profit. The first stock is Vedanta. As you know, the Vedanta has reported a profit of more than 6,000 crores in the quarter 4. So this share, so this can give a hike in the share. So I am bullish on this share. The second one is L&T, and L&T has also announced that they have this time earned profit, and also I think they are giving dividend. That I am not sure, but I think they are giving a dividend of ₹18 per share. The third one is ITC. As you know, in the last weekend also the share grown 4% on the last day of the trading, that is on Friday. So I am bullish on it, so you can invest in it and can earn profit. These were the 3 stocks. And as I told you earlier in the starting, that there's one important news that is actually a good news for you all, and that is on this channel I am starting a new series in which we will actually discuss and we will analyze the different stocks such as L&T, ITC and the other stocks, and we will actually tell you about how the stocks can perform in the near days, in the future days. So we will actually fully analyze the stock. We will see the previous years of the stock and how they are earning profit, how they are growing, the companies are growing, and we will actually also talk about the annual reports of the stock and the business model of the stock. So stay tuned and please subscribe, like and comment, and thanks for watching.